we're headed to We have T-minus 11 hours before our flight. And I know that sounds like a lot, but it's really not. It's 6:37 p.m. and I have to get to the airport probably around 4:30. I am not packed. My nails aren't done. Cameras aren't charged. Nothing. This literally happens all the time. Every time I'm about to go on a trip, I'm always saying how I need to pack earlier. I'll even take out the clothes, but every single time I'll always end up packing right before my flight. I did take out some of the outfits that I want to wear on the trip. You guys will be so proud of me. I did not shop really for this trip. I only bought 2 new bathing suits, but other than that, I didn't buy outfits or anything. I'm wearing a lot of clothes that I already had in my closet. We love that. But vlog is really going to show you how I pack as a last minute procrastinator when it comes to traveling. First things first, I just want to say thank you to Good Molecules. Y'all, they hit me up to send me PR. And I've been wanting to try Good Molecules for a while. I've been wanting to try their it's this one, the discoloration correctum serum, because my cousin raves about this thing. But then I just never got around to it. So they ended up asking, can they send me PR? And the box finally came. I'm so excited to try this. I really need to get on my skincare when I come back from this trip and trying to find new products that work well with my skin. So we got the niacinamide brightening toner. Then we got the lightweight daily moisturizer. And then we also have the discoloration correctum serum, which I just told you guys about. And then we have the overnight exfoliating treatment. And this one has AHA and BHA. And then this card just kind of shows the order in which it should be done. So cleanse, tone, treat, serum, moisturize, and SPF. Really excited to try this. I'm not going to take this on my trip because a lot of the chemicals in these products make your skin a little bit more sensitive to sun. And since I'm going to an island, this probably wouldn't be the best thing to try right off the bat, since my skin especially isn't used to it yet. Excited to try this when I get back home. But let's go pack. The key to packing last minute is having a concise list, period. Because let's be real, if you're packing last minute, you don't have time for chaos. I usually create my list 1 to 2 weeks before the trip so I can gradually add things, especially things I know I'll forget later. My list even includes outfit ideas depending on what's in the itinerary. Once I have my list together and bring out my packing cubes, it's game time. If you don't have packing cubes by now, I highly recommend them. They're truly a game changer, especially if you're a super type A about organization like me. As a self-proclaimed fashionista travelista, I need my outfits to stay together so it's easier to grab and go while on vacation. I keep my underwears, bras, and socks in one, another one for swimsuits, one for jewelry, and so on. I don't play, I get down, okay? When it comes to toiletries, I typically keep 2 bags, one that goes in my personal bag because God forbid my suitcase decides to take its own vacation. And the second one typically will go in my checked bag. Travel tip: if you mostly pack a carry-on, get vacuum travel bags. They'll suck out every last bit of air, making room for that extra outfit you don't need, but you know you want to take. I'll link the one I use sometimes in my description box. Once everything's packed away, I go through the list one last time to fine-tune it and see what I still need, because no matter how prepared I think I am, I always forget something. And let's be honest, I'm still throwing in last minute stuff the morning of. It's tradition at this point. Okay, y'all, it is technically now T-minus less than 7 hours. It's a little after 11 o'clock. I basically finished packing. I'm really nervous though because I didn't get an outfit. Like, I really wasn't thinking about Tuesday mass, and I'm not playing the costumes. I really wanted to, but it didn't end up working that way. But I'm genuinely okay with it because I'm just gonna play Carnival another time this year. So because I wasn't really focused on it, I don't know if I have a proper outfit for Tuesday mass in terms of like knowing what to wear, but I'll figure it out. Y'all, I am not getting any sleep tonight. I just showered. 2:01 y'all. We are T-minus less than 4 hours away from getting on this flight. Again, not sleeping, but I'm gonna be knocked on that flight. I have to do teeth whitening still, wax my legs and my nails. Oh, and face mask. But, oh, and shave. This is the brand, Mr. Bright. Got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of those.
Yeah, of course I got feelings for you, man.
We have to keep this on for 30 minutes.
Girl, I wish I could save you. I can. That girl took me for Spider-Man, for Superman. Girl, you got the power in your hand. You keep even doing no hands. How can you remind, man? They don't even come nice to the dance. When you talk about your ex, I know it's facts, I feel you. Feel the same 1 million. Side you, I'm in you. The way we fuck is better than what we did and don't and stuff. But you expect some ninja. And I'll admit that I wish I could save you. This girl took me to Spider-Man, Superman.
Y'all, look at this. Do y'all see that hair? It's very fine, but oh my gosh, there's so much. Hair done, nails done, everything did. Yes. It is 3 minutes until 3 a.m. So like I said, I'm not getting any sleep. I'm about to go get dressed and just like probably eat a little something before I go to the airport. I am a serial procrastinator when it comes to packing for a trip. I don't know, I hate doing it. I'll take out like the clothes and stuff, but I just hate putting them in the suitcase and like organizing. It takes forever. Also sometimes because I be trying to vlog, trying to capture certain angles to make the vlog look a certain way, and also packing, it just takes time because you have to keep stopping, resetting the tripod wherever you need it to be. But again, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, especially subscribe if you're looking forward to see me in Trinidad for Carnival. I am going to Trinidad Carnival with Epic. I'm gonna post them here. They are a company who basically does trips to Trinidad Carnival every year through Royal Cruises, my first cruise as well. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm excited. I am going with Court, so I gotta meet her at the airport. So I'm gonna go eat, like I said. Make sure to subscribe for the Trinidad vlog. It's coming. Until next time, bye guys.